Hello, good evening, you all. Myself, Dr. Himanshu Sharma. On the behalf of Team Physio Inculcator, I would like to welcome you all in our today's session. Our today's session is titled about the discussion of the pitfalls in its statistical analysis and the presentation. Now, today we are here to have a great learning on the much needed topic by a very renowned resource person, Dr. Suresh Mani sir. Dr. Suresh Mani sir is doctorate in the physiotherapy from Malaysia. Dr. Suresh Mani sir has been postgraduated in musculoskeletal and sports from MGR Medical University, Chennai. Dr. Suresh has lots of research publication by their name, around more than 20 publications they have been published, and more than 10 are in the peer review process. Dr. Suresh is having a very good and a great experience and expertise in the clinical as well as academics. He is one of the few professionals in the physiotherapy who actually believes in the evidence-based practice and focusing on the research in the area of physiotherapy. So it is a matter of immense pleasure and a great honor for me for being moderator for the session for the sir. So I would like to congratulate sir and heartfelt welcome to you in our today's session. For that, you have spared the time to share your precious knowledge with us. We are really delighted and obliged to have you with us. And for your information, sir, I would like to let you know one thing, that in these webinars, we are blessed to have many senior faculty members and academicians here from not only the India, even around the globe. So it is again their continuous supports and blessing that they are joining us. They are showing the truth in the event or in the efforts we are doing. So we are also thankful to all the participants, all the senior faculty members who are joining us and supporting us. So again, congratulations and most welcome to you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Imanshu, for the introduction. I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes. Okay. Today's topic, it is like an atypical topic. So pitfalls in statistical analysis and presentations. I think it's one of the key area. Every academician now, clinicians are heading towards, get publications in their names. When they're targeting the journals, so try to submit their papers for publications. They get the peer review comment saying that flaws in their methodology, their introductions, the statistical analysis, the way that they presented the data. So many things we get once we submitted, and especially those words submit first time, default, they want to publish any papers, they have a difficult times. So just want to curious to get us stimulate everyone the pitfalls in statistical analysis as a physiotherapist, and also the pitfalls in data presentations. So I'm Dr. Suresh Mani, another Department of Physiotherapy, lovely professional university, Punjab. So before starting, the presentation, I would like to show one small video, like a stimulant. Let us watch this.
Are persuasive, so much so that people, organizations, and whole countries base some of their most important decisions on organized data. But there's a problem with that. Any set of statistics might have something lurking inside it, something that can turn results completely upside down. For example, imagine you need to choose between two hospitals for an elderly relative's surgery. Out of each hospital's last 1,000 patients, 900 survived at Hospital A, while only 800 survived at Hospital B. So it looks like Hospital A is the better choice. But before you make your decision, remember that not all patients arrive at the hospital with the same. And if we divide each hospital, poor health to look very different. Hospital A had only 100 patients